Hi beautiful people, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can put like this dashboard on your WordPress website, so you can easily track that how many people have visited your website and from where. So here you can see today the 3 visitors and search engine 5. So if we scroll down here, you will see all the details of the summary about the visitors. Today there are the 3 visitors, yesterday were 10 visitors, and last 7 days 48 visitors. So if we scroll down here, and here you will see all the visitors details with IP address, so you can understand from where the people are coming to your website. Okay, it is really a very amazing and free plugin. And if we scroll down, and here you can see that all the people visited from today and yesterday, and from the Bangladesh, Vietnam, and Ukraine, United States, Japan, Saudi. Then if I click on to the next year, and we can see the details of the yesterday from United States and Bangladesh and more. So even though here we can also track how many people came from which resource. So here it says Google, and here we can also see the browsers as well, the Firefox, Chrome, and we can also going to get all the details what our visitors used there when they're going to visit the website, what the gadgets they are using. Okay, so yeah, we can understand actually everything. So we scroll down here, there are so many things here, the how many time they have spent on your website and from where they came to your website. So it is totally very amazing. Then you can here also see that traffic by the title all the time. So here you can see that. Yeah, it's really very amazing plugin. So it's totally free. Let me show you that how you can put on your website. So I have another my website here for I'm going to add that plugin here. So I'm going to click on to the dashboard, and I will click on to hover, and I will click on add a new plugin. And here I'm going to write the plugin name. It is the visitor traffic real-time statics plugin. So here on the top you will see this one, visitor traffic real-time statics, and you can see that it has 40,000 activation installation, and yeah, it is by WP buy. So click on install now. And once it is installed, and then going to click on activate, and once it is activated, now you can track. If I'm going to click on to the dashboard from here, and on the top you will see this static. If you're going to click on this one, now you're going to see all the details about the visitors who visit your website. So it's totally really amazing plugin to track the traffic on your website. Okay, hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.